Okay, in this tutorial I am going to show you two process of creating a squash effect for a polygon sphere in Maya 2022. Just like this. See the process. So let's get started. Take a polygon sphere, radius type 10, subdivision axis and height type here 40. Go to side view, turn on X-ray mode and X-ray joint mode. Change modeling menu to rigging menu. Go to skeleton, create joint. Turn on wireframe on shaded mode. Press X on your keyboard. This will turn on snap to grid option and create joint as shown. Now press enter. Go to perspective view. Select your polygon sphere. Right click. Assign new material. Select form. Now hide your polygon sphere. Again select joint tool. Create one joint here. Press enter. Type joint radius 1. Press V to snap the joint to the upper one and press Ctrl plus D to duplicate and press V to snap it to the lower joint. Hide this one as upper JNT joint and this one as lower joint. Now hide these two joint. Go to skeleton, IK spline handle option, reset the tool and click one point at your lower joint and one at your upper joint. Unhide upper and lower joint. Shift select your curve. Go to skin, open bind skin option. Click selected joint. On bind to, click apply and close. This time select the upper joint, try to move and see. Take a nerve circle. Increase the size of the nerve circle. Press V to snap the pivot point up. Press Ctrl plus D to duplicate and press V to snap it to the lower joint. Select these two controller. Modify, freeze transformation. Now select this one as rename as upper controller and this one as lower controller. Now select the lower controller. Shift select your lower joint, constraint, parent constraint. Upper controller, upper joint, constraint, parent constraint. Now select your curve, open node editor, Windows node editor and press tab key, type here curve info. Go to Windows, general editor, open connection editor. Select your curve shape, reload left, curve info, reload right. Select world space to input curve. Close your connection editor. Move this one here, press tab key, type here multiply. Select multiply and divide node. Select these two node. Click on this icon. This will enlarge your node. And connect arc length to input 1x. Select multiply and divide node. Go to attribute editor. Change operation multiply to divide. Copy this value and paste it here. Now unhide your sphere. Select your first joint chain. Turn on X-ray mode to see clearly. Shift select your sphere. Go to skin, open bind skin option. Edit, reset the setting. Click apply and close. Now select your controller. Try to move and see. Now select your multiply and divide node and rename this one as stress. Go to Windows, general editor, open connection editor. Select stress node, click reload left. Select your first joint chain. Go to select, click hierarchy. Click reload left. Right display non-showable. Output X to scale X for all the joint. Do the same. Now close your connection editor, minimize your node editor, select your upper controller and see it is now stressing. Now select your stress node, press Ctrl+D to duplicate and rename this one as squash. Again press Ctrl+D to duplicate. Duplicate this one as 4 times. Rename this as ABCD. Select your squash node, click on this icon. The operation is divide and connect arc length to input to X. Select your upper controller, minimize your node editor, go to edit, add attribute, type here square A, type here default 2, create square ABCD attribute, 4 attribute as your multiply and divide node. Click OK. Now open your node editor, select this node, go to attribute editor, change it to power, change operation power. Do the same for all other node B, C, D, B, C and D. Now select your upper controller, open your connection editor, reload left, select this ABCD node, open connection editor, reload right, left display, deselect non-keyable, squash A to input to X, B to B input to X. Do the same for C and D. Close your connection editor. Now select the joint chain, rename the joint as ABCD as shown. Now select your squash node, click reload left, select this 4 joint ABCD, reload right and connect output X to scale Y and Z for all the joint. Now again select this 4 node A, B, C, D, click reload right and connect output X to input to Y and Z. Now close your connection editor, minimize your node editor. Now select your upper controller, try to move down and see the squashing effect. See, select your lower controller also. See the effect. Select these 2 controller, type 0. I am also showing you another process of squashing. First hide them all. Take another polygon sphere, type radius 10, subdivision axis and height type here 40. On translate Y type here 10. Take another nerve circle, scale the nerve circle, select this one, right click, assign new material, blend. Now we select all, go to modify, freeze transformation, edit, delete by type, delete history. Now select your polygon sphere, go to deform, nonlinear, click squash, type here translate Y 0, go down on your squash 1, type here high bound 2. Now select your nerve circle, rename this one as controller. Select your nerve circle, go to modify, add attribute, rename this one as squash. Click OK. Select your nerve circle, go to Windows, open node editor. First select all. Click remove selected node from graph. Select your controller, click add selected node to graph. Remove the shape node. Select your squash handle and select this one also, squash 1 from your channel box. Click add selected node to graph. Move them up. Here is your squash 1. Move this one here. Select these two nodes. Click remove selected node to graph from graph. Select these two nodes. Click on this icon. This will enlarge your node. Connect squash to your factor. Now minimize your node editor. Select the controller. From your squash, try to increase the value and see. See the squashing effect. So this is the two process of creating squashing rigging in Maya 2022. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.